go. There's two of them. Two pileateds. Squirrels come and chase them off. I've seen that before. They want to chase away the pileateds. There's one right on the ground in front of me. The squirrel's after him. See if I can get it. Squirrels after the pileated woodpecker. I've seen this behavior before. Pileated's on the ground right in front of me, but I can't. He's chasing them up there now. It's getting a little weird back here. I've lost contact with the pileated. Squirrel chasing the brush. The best thing to do is zoom back out. So the hurricane has got all the animals all squared up. Like this guy over here. I'm just trying to shoot the birds, knucklehead. Go away. Strange sensation in the conservation area after the hurricane. All the animals are on edge. Let's find a pileated, that's the one I want. Pileateds are not flushing, right? I know there's some good food to be had in here. The problem is from here I can't get a good angle into the jungle. See, it's just a tore up mess of impassable brush and trees and Brazilian peppers and all sorts of other stuff. You just basically can't get in there, but I can get a little glimpse through where the fence is blown down. Right where all these trees are tore up, the woodpeckers are just having a little feast. Come on. I haven't flown yet. There's still two of them in there at least. Supposed to get a new microphone. There we go, here we go. There's one. Back again. Got a squirrel at my back. I'm on my knees in the mud with fire ants. That's what it takes to get the shot sometimes. Got a squirrel right around my ankles. I feed him peanuts to keep him happy. I'm getting a spasm in my back. Break time. How hard is it to find a pileated in the jungle? You gotta pick a landmark. Here we go. And try and point your camera in there. And that, my viewers, is difficult. Despite the harassment by the squirrels, the pileated has stayed. We don't get a lot of visits by the pileated around here. They live pretty back in a conservation area, but for some reason they've been attracted to this area where all the trees have blown down. In the meantime, the stupid squirrel's nibbling at my ankles, wanting another peanut. I gotta keep two hands on the camera. I never get tired of watching pileateds. The other thing too is if you keep watching them, these squirrels and the blue jays around, something unusual is usually going to happen. The interesting thing about pileated, they're really hard to get close to, but when you get them screened like this, and this rare opportunity to see them without them seeing me, you can really get close. And that's what you want to see with these big woodpeckers. You want to see them in a natural behavior. You don't want to see them on a feeder or an artificial nest box. You want to see them working in the swamp. This is an amazingly difficult shot to get. I don't know if you can appreciate what we're looking at, but let me just back out a minute and show you. And the only reason I can get that shot is because the fence is blown down right here. It is so dense that you can actually lose your reference, but there he is. Now the problem is I haven't been able to switch to manual focus. There we go. camera's doing a pretty bang-up job, all things considering what I'm shooting through. Oh, look at this guy. See, this is the problem. What are you bothering the pileated woodpeckers for, huh? Anna? Why don't you... Here. Have a peanut and leave me alone. Yeah, go away, you bother me. Go away. I'm trying to shoot pileated woodpeckers. Knucklehead. Okay, that one is still there, and he seems to have found something he really likes, so. Oh, that is a red-bellied woodpecker getting into the act. Let's see if we can find the other one. Sometimes you get too focused on one, there could be one right in your face. You can see what this looks like after the hurricane came through. I always marvel at the jungle in Florida and wonder how the explorers ever managed to get their way through here. Alright. It's a strange... Oh, here he moved, he moved. Switch over to the eyepiece. These guys are probably aware that I'm watching them. You know, at this point, I've gotten some good shots. It might be worth a chance to step over in here to see if I can get a better angle. The problem is freaking fire ants. What is your problem? Huh? What is your problem? I'm trying to shoot the pileated woodpecker, and you want me to spend all my time with you? See, the squirrels don't like it when I try to walk on their side of the fence. They love to spend their time on my side of the fence eating my peanuts, but let me step on their side, and they get all like defensive. You don't like it, do you? You don't like it when I try and come on your side of the fence. No. Alright. Let's focus on Mr. Pileated. Oh, they're feeding like this. Oh man, I hate it over here. Not more than 10 feet away. Ah, there he is. Ah, there's another squirrel's come over. The squirrels really act strange when I'm on their side. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on your side of the fence. What do you think about that? I've never been this close to pileated before. There's like these palmetto branches between me and the pileated. They're just too deep in there and they got all this You see the water's high back here. The water's right to there. I really shouldn't be walking back here with shoes and no socks. But if you want to get a picture of Pileated, you got to be like, take advantage. There he is. I know the squirrels are doing their general alarm thing. I've got fire ants starting to crawl up my leg. I think we'll have to abort. Now you're alarming on me, that's brilliant. Yeah, human on your side of the fence. Okay. I can handle a lot of things, but not fire ants crawling all over the place. So I'm going to abort this mission. One last shot of the Pileated. It's just too dense back there. It's kind of exciting to be this close to one. And I don't think they know I'm here.